Good day, folks. This is Fox Fader, and this is the Visuo 809 with altitude hold. As you can see here, I'm powering the unit up. I'm about to throttle up. I do not have any idea how high it will actually go, but the plan was just to see how high I can get this unit and just fly it. And as we all know, there's no readout on how high this unit is actually going, so nothing tells us the altitude, but right here I'm just trying to level it off. And now I'm going to give it full throttle, full left stick up. This is full left stick up, and it's just moving. Of course, there's no display, no readout on the current altitude, so I just keep pushing it. Now keep in mind, this is a factory unit. Using the controller, there's no Wi-Fi repeater, anything like that. 100% bone stock right out of the box. So this unit right here gets very, very high. Keep in mind, I thought I had it set to record to the SD card, but I missed it, and it was actually recording to the phone via Wi-Fi. So the signal starts to get a little choppy because it's very, very high at this point for this quadcopter. The Visuo 809 altitude hold gets quite high at this point, but I lose everything. I start to lose FPV, and the signal gets choppy, being sent back to the phone. But I have control here. You can see my car there, right there in the bottom middle of the screen. And that's me, the little light. You can kind of see me. I had a white shirt on that day. But as you can see, things are getting very choppy because of signal loss. No connection, but this is where I gained connection. I got under her, I gained connection, brought it back down safely, and everything was okay. This unit will get high, but without a Wi-Fi repeater, it's dangerous. You can wind up losing this little thing. But there you go, the Visuo 809 with altitude hold. Quite high, a lot of altitude there. Thanks.